Okay, I'm going to sneeze. Just two. Yeah.
I can plug it in there and feed it there.
Sneeze. There must be like dust from the tree. I just.
Shut up.
Snap. Pineapple.
Pineapple. Achoo, pineapple. Achoo. 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 Achoo.
What?
Finished?
I have to sneeze. It's so annoying in the middle of the video.
Ay, gracias. Lo siento.
Ay. Ay, a ver.
Perdón. Perdónenme, gente.
Hola. Oh my god. Okay. She's hot. Is your lame? She's encounter. Okay. But if you want nice sweet, it's a necessity. Hi, ballpark. How are you? Farming simulator. That'll be fun. Hi, who dat? Ew. Actually, it wasn't that bad. I thought I gotta sneeze. Achoo! 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 Oh my god! I just fucking died. Work tonight. Achoo! 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 Oh my god! Achoo! Sorry, the last one was really dramatic. It. Oh. I was like, I'm not. I like closed my freaking nose. I like went like that. Bless you, thank you. That I think would probably have pissed me. That was like my friend's mom growing up though. Cause excuse me. Oh my god. Where'd my phone go? I lost it. I could take that record down. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna sneeze again. No. Oh yes.
Because you had something to snack on. Bless you. Bless you.
Yeah.
I've lost some. I don't think so, though.
Yeah.
My body's in total shock.
Ew, excuse me. Sorry. Ew, excuse. Ew, oh my god. Ew, then I. Ew.
Nothing bread, right? Bless you. Oh, yeah. Bless Last night after... Excuse me. You. Thank you.
Like,
Oh, bless you.
thanks. And your boots are shaking.
I can't... Who?
I think I should loosen this a little bit because I feel like that.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Bless me. Any more? Usually it's 3. Now, but I'm just not sure about the body, whether it's like flattering because it is like baggier. Why am I always sneezing in videos? Oh my god. Send help. There were also lots. Ooh.
Okay.
Christmases, so
I'm gonna sneeze though. Really? Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm just gonna use the really brave not. Oh my god, can you like, shh. I've got elf ear. Look at my elf ear.
Oh, bless me.
Your girl right here has had the worst hay fever throughout my pregnancy. Something about there being, I don't know. All I know is that if you suffered hay fever before pregnancy, shit, you will suffer hay fever even worse in your pregnancy. Motherfucker. It's got me being such. Oh, see? Pardon me. Getting really bad hay fever.